Welcome to Mogán, one of the most picturesque towns on Gran Canaria. Today we're taking you on a journey through this charming coastal town, known for its stunning beauty and relaxed atmosphere. A short stroll takes us into the enchanting old town of Mogán. The narrow streets are adorned with whitewashed houses, vibrant flowers, and traditional Canarian balconies. You can truly feel the charm of bygone days here, ideal for a leisurely walk or capturing some amazing photos. And then there's Playa de Mogán, a beautiful sandy beach that's perfect for relaxation. The calm waters make it especially family-friendly, inviting you to bask in the sun or take a refreshing swim in crystal-clear waters. For those seeking adventure, there's also the option to go pedal boating. Rent a pedal boat and explore the coastline from a new perspective. It's not only fun, but also offers a fantastic opportunity to enjoy your surroundings and perhaps even spot some marine life. Mogán truly is a hidden gem on Gran Canaria that has something for everyone. Whether it's relaxing days at the beach, culinary experiences at the harbor, or exciting adventures on the water. So if you're planning a trip to Gran Canaria, be sure to add Mogán to your must-visit list.